1930 arithmetic subarrays. So we are giving an array nums, so it's gonna have random numbers. It can be positive and negative integers, and we are also giving an array of L and R. We just need to return some query result. So for example, the first query is 0 to 2. So from 0 to 2, we're gonna check if this is a arithmetic subarray. So 4, 6, 5. After sorting 4, 5, 6, it is. So we're gonna return true. And the second one is 0, 3. So 0 to 3, it is 4, 6, 5, 9. Of course, it is not. We're gonna return false. And lastly, it's gonna be 2 to 5. So it means 5 to 7. So 3, 5, 7, 9. It is a arithmetic subarray. So we're gonna return true. Yeah. So how can we solve this problem? So we're gonna use sorting to solve the problem. Yeah. So let me just analyze the time complexity first, and then try to find a solution. Because this n is just 500, it means and also L and R is also 500. Yeah, it means we can solve it by brute force. So first of all, from L to R, it is O(n). From L to R, it is O(n) time, and then we're gonna check like from 0 to index 2. So we're gonna use the sorting. We're gonna sort the array to check if it is an arithmetic array. So it is n log n time. Yeah. So the total time complexity is n squared times log n. So for 500, that is still a small number. That is why it can pass for Leetcode. Yeah. Now let me just start coding. So we're gonna find two boundaries. So for AB in zip, L and R. So we're gonna check with this AB. So if check AB, if it is arithmetic array, so result should append true. So otherwise, result should append a false. And we're gonna return this result. Yeah. Now let me prepare an empty array as result. So I'm gonna prepare result equal to empty, and now I need to finish the check function. Yeah. So inside of the check function, it's gonna be AB. So here I'm gonna put it L and R. So the left pointer and R left index and right index. Yeah. Now I'm going to check the nums. So here I'm gonna use nums should equal to nums L to R plus 1, and then I'm going to sort the nums. So nums dot sort. After sorting, I'm going to check if it is arithmetic array or not. So for example, 4, 6, 5. After sorting, it will be 4, 5, and 6. So the nums should be equal to yeah. Let me use an array. So nums I minus nums I minus 1. So for I in range 1 to length of nums. Yeah. And finally, I just need to check the length of the set of nums. If it is equal to 1, it means it is arithmetic array. Otherwise, it is not. Yeah. So this is the entire code. As you can see, it is not so difficult. We just need to understand what is arithmetic array and how to calculate it. Yeah. So for programming, we're gonna check if it is the same value inside this nums. If it is the same, so we're gonna use a set. If the length of the set is 1, it means it is. Otherwise, it is not. Yeah. Now let me just run it to check if it works. Yeah, maybe I should use another variable, not this nums. It will be confusing to change this kind of global variable nums. Yeah, I should use another variable, but let's just check. Yeah, I think it's gonna take a long time. Let me just refresh it and check the result again. Oh, I forgot to copy the code. I get nothing. Yeah, now let me just run again to check. It seems there's something wrong. So for A, B, should in zip L and R, and we're gonna check here. Yeah. So this variable should not be nums. Let me use another variable, result. So here gonna be the result. Yeah. So I should not use the duplicate variable with nums. I should use another variable. Now as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it. As you can see, it works, but it's not so fast because the time complexity is n squared log n. So here is the on time, and for this check function, so the result.sort is n log n time. So the total time complexity is n squared log n. Thank you for watching. See you next time.